Okay guys, welcome again on a new method on how to make money online. In this quick video, I will show you how you can earn up to 5,000 naira every single day as in Nigeria. You be in Nigeria, you dey where you go to make money, because I always dey talk and say Nigeria no be funny place for us to play. Because now everything for Nigeria don dey go up, fuel don go up, transport fee don go up, even now electricity bill again wan go up. So and salary dem no gree increase. Now wetin we go do? We say we go take make side income, we say we go dey support ourselves. That's why I wan show una how una go take make 5k every single day as a side hustle. So just join me as I walk you through on this method on how to make 5k every single day. But before I start, abeg make una make sure say una subscribe to my channel. Abeg make una no watch this video without subscribing or liking this video. Make una subscribe and also like my video. Thank you. Sure, I don't like that and I not subscribe. Thank you. God bless you. Now the website we are going to make use of today to earn this 5k every single day is called Survey. They join the Survey community, earn up to €7 per survey. That means you go fit make money for this website with just survey. And I know say wetin dey come your mind now, sir. Anytime I dey try do survey, they like to disqualify me. Yes, in this video I will show you how you go take do survey. Don't say they're not going to disqualify you. Now he said join this community. They join the community and earn cash by answering your paid survey. Yes, and they will pay you with either through PayPal, Amazon, and bank transfer. If you just reach the withdrawal limit like that, direct they will send that to your bank account, your local bank account. Because it says Survey is very easy to use. How it works, how this website goes, how it take the work concept. If you can see that we select the best paid survey on the market, you answer, you earn cash. That means then they select the best survey. So they say you go fit give you reasonable money. Wey be say you no go too waste time, or wey be say you go just get your money. They go select am, they go give you say make you answer. If you answer am, they will give you your money instantly. So you can see, and now these 3 things wey be say they just ask you to do for this website. The first step now they say register for free. This website is for free. No say they go say make you register as in make you use money register before you go start earning on the platform. No, this website is absolutely free, and you can see said in just a few seconds you join the community. And the second one again now said every day respond to surveys and studies. In just a few seconds you join the community. After you don register for free finish, next wey be say you go do na how to dey do the survey now na im come remain. The third one now is say pocket your money, treat yourself. See, that means after you don earn money, you go pocket am. Na your money, nobody go follow you share am. Nobody go say maybe now you don do finish na to come pay with the issue. No, if you don dey finish the tax, then they give you your money instantly. Say pocket your money, go buy anything wey be say you wan buy. Now make we see, he said 2 million registered users on this website. People don dey make use of this website. They don dey make, and the best part of this website is that no be only Nigeria e dey work. E dey work for 99 countries. Site #1 global. That means e dey work for 99 countries wey dey this world like this. E dey work. E say surveys launch. So they dey launch surveys every minute. No be say you go say maybe you see survey do now, you wan do again, you no see am again. No, this one surveys plenty. Now you go run from work, maybe say you will find work. Over there said 10 million commissions donated. They don't donate, maybe say 10 million, they don't donate already. Join today and start earning cash right away. So make you join now so that you will start to make that money online. On of which I want you make you register to this website. Make you start to make that money. And if you want to register, the link to this website is on the video description below. Just go down now, make you go copy that link. Or just go click that link now, copy the link, make you click am, make you register, make you start to make your own money, make your own 5k, make your own 10k every single day. So registration fast and without obligation. The registration no dey stress person. You go just register, no be say you go dey try to click something the thing will be click. No, this one is automated. If you just dey click like that, the thing dey answer. So let's go down and see more about it. Say data protected, your data dey protected, your information dey protected on this website. Quality service, we select only the best service from prestigious brands. They dey select the service, better service from all the sites. They come here, make you come do earn your money. Now, if you want to sign up on this platform, as I said earlier, the link to this website is on the video description below. Just go down, copy the link and open it on your browser and sign up through that link. They will take you to a form where you will fill jobs like this one. So if they give you the page, all you have to do now to just fill am correctly. Your name, everything go there. You fill am correctly. And if you want put your age, now we didn't make them disqualify you with this. If you want put your age, make sure say your age is 30 years above, no be 30 years below. Maybe say you go put 25 or 27 or 28 or 29. Put from 30 to 35 or even 40, 50. Just put am, because na make dem dey disqualify you. If you put from 14 to 29, they go to disqualify you. But if you put from 30 upward, they don't go disqualify you. So guys, so if you don't sign up, this is how your dashboard is going to look like. Over here you can see, because even me I just registered, okay, said my gain. That means if you want to withdraw, now to just click this button. After you don't end that 10k, if you don't get that 10k already, you will just click on this withdraw like that. You don't finish. Now make we see, make we see how what we go do. What we say, we go how their surface be. What we say, we go make this 10k wey dey there. So we go make we go take withdraw am. Now make we go see their surface. Now you click on this access to paid surface. You click on it. Now you also said available paid surface. That means that the surface wey be say e dey this website for now 90 days, because dem update every 5 minutes. Now you can see this one just 21 minutes of your time. Now you don't earn 690 with that. Over here again, see 358 naira. So on and so forth. You see dey plenty for here. Now you go run from work. Now you go run from work. Work be back for here. Just make sure you sign up into this website and start making your money. And you can see if you do all those things every day, money no go be your issue again. That 30k, even 50k, you will make am in a month. So guys, I want you to sign up to this website. As I said earlier, the link to this website is on the video description below. Go ahead and register to this website. The registration is free. Guys, this is the end of my video because I don't want to make this video too long fast like this. Thank you for watching this video until the very end. But before I go, I beg, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I beg, like this video. I beg, I take a beg, you like them. Thank you guys for watching this video until the very end. So we'll meet again until then. Bye bye for now. Eric will love you. Bye.